Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain how to find available shift in Instawork. So to find available shift on Instawork, open the app and tap the shift icon located at the bottom of the screen. Here you will see a list of open shift tailored to your profile and location. You can filter this shift by date, position, pay rate and distance to find a opportunity that best fits your schedule and preference. Each shift listing provides essential details such as role, location, start and end time, pay rate, and any specific requirement. So tap on shift to view more information, and if it suits you, select book to secure it. Then keep in mind that Instawork is a dynamic marketplace where shifts are continuously added and filled. So to increase your chance of accessing more shifts, ensure your profile is completed and up to date, including any relevant certification. High performing professionals with strong rating and reliability may receive early access to shift. So additional enabling push notification will alert you to new opportunities so they become available. Regularly check the app, and responding promptly to new posting can help you secure more shift. And that's it.